talk about the symbolisms involved on the flag. You have the Kodivara tree, you have the sun, as well as the Om symbol that is associated. How is these symbols associated with the temple and in spirituality at large when it comes to the Ram temple?
See, Om signifies the primordial sound, and Om is basically, you can say, the poster image of Hindu Dharma. So that is why Om, and Om, every major ceremony or every kind of basically activity in Hinduism, you start it with basically the chanting of Om. So Om is and Om is at the as I've said, that it's a primordial sound. So Om is considered to have given birth to the this universe. So it's like going back to the basics. So, second, the sun. So it signifies two things. So one, it signifies that Bhagwan Ram or Shri Ram was Suryavanshi and basically his lineage. And second thing it signifies is basically, the because sun provides you with, the life. So it's a symbol of, life on this universe. And along with Om, when you put these two symbols together, so it means basically, the existence of life, and the aim of or objective of your life is to connect with the universal consciousness, which is at the core of the Bharatiya spiritual tradition.
Karthik Chopra, another big question that is also looking forward when it comes to the entire aspect of the Ram temple is this. How much of a cultural relevance that we are seeing is being reenacted when we have the new temple? How much of civilizational continuity has been, in fact, regained when we go with this tradition?
That for all of us here, Bharat, the regaining the Ram, seeing the Sri Ram Janmabhoomi temple again is a revival of our spiritual backbone. Because for us, Bhagwan Sri Ram is our Ishtadev. And to see this again shows that Bharatiya Sabhyata and Hindu Sabhyata can never ever be demolished. We may have in the past lost our temples to the invaders, but our faith, our resolve to continually struggle, most of it peacefully, let me tell you, to be able to get back our ancient heritage is something that we can all be very, very proud of, and that the world can look at us and see how we are reviving our ancient culture, our ancient tradition, our ancient philosophy, our ancient religion. This is something that I think that we as Bharatiyas can be most proud of, to be able to see that this ancient holy shrine is again alive, breathing, living, and existing before us.
Just stay with me, gentlemen. My colleague Abhijit Thakur was able to speak to a group of Gurukul students who have been quite excited when they are at the location and they are able to witness this. Let's in fact listen to that report coming in from Abhijit Thakur.
अयोध्या में आज तमाम सांस्कृतिक कार्यक्रमों के लिए मंच तो बनाया ही गया है और कलाकार अपने प्रदर्शन भी कर रहे हैं, लेकिन उसके साथ ही गुरुकुल के छात्रों को भी बुलाया गया है जो कि यहाँ पर रोड शो देखने के लिए और प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी का स्वागत करने के लिए आप देखिए किस तरीके से पंक्तिबद्ध होकर यहाँ पर इंतजार कर रहे हैं सुबह से ही। हम बातचीत भी करने की कोशिश करेंगे। कहाँ से हैं आप लोग?
श्री उदासीन संगत ऋषि आश्रम से।
अच्छा, कब से यहाँ पर आपको आज आमंत्रित किया गया है?
जी
बिल्कुल। और देखिए तमाम ऐसे छात्र हैं। क्या नाम है आपका?
विवेक त्रिपाठी मेरा नाम है।
अच्छा, आज आपको प्रधानमंत्री मोदी के स्वागत के लिए आपको यहाँ पर बुलाया गया है।
जी,
तो आप इस ऐतिहासिक पल के आज साक्षी बनेंगे। क्या क्या आप लोग को निर्देश दिए गए?
हम सबको निर्देश दिया गया कि जब नरेंद्र मोदी आए तो स्वस्ति वाचन का पाठ करना है, हमको वेद पाठ करना है, और उसके बाद फिर हम सबको आराम से सब एक साथ मिला के कि हम उनको आदर सत्कार दे सकें, कि उनको और अच्छा लगे, उनको और गर्व हो कि हमारे इस छात्र भी हमारा साथ दे सकते हैं।
किस तरीके से पाठ करेंगे, थोड़ा सा करके दिखा सकते हैं अगर तो कोई?
ओम स्वस्ते न इंद्र बृहत्सर्वाः स्वस्ते नः उका विश्ववेदाः स्वस्ते नस्तारक्षो अरिष्टानेमिः स्वस्ते न बृहस्पतिर्दधातु प्रेकादशवा मारुताः प्रसणे मातरः शुभं द्यावानो वेदाते को जगमायाः अग्ने जिह्वा मानवाः सोराचक्षासो विसवे नो देव अवसागमन्निहा भद्रं कर्णेभिः शृणोयाम देव भद्रं पश्येमाच्छाविर्यजतराः स्थिरैरङ्ग्रै तुष्टवाग्गु स्वस्तानो बिर्वसे माहिदे वाहिकां जदायुः सातामेन्नो सारदो अन्ते देव जतरा नश्चकराज्जरसं कानो नाम पुतरासो जतरा पितरो भवन्ति मानो मदियारेरेकतायुरग्रन्थोः आदित्यौरादितिरन्तरिक्षमादितिर्माता सा पिता सा पुतरः विसवे देव आदितिः पञ्चजन आदितिर्जातमादितिर्जालितवम् द्यौः शान्तिरन्तरिक्षगु शान्तिः पृथिवी शान्तिरापः